Okay, now question number 4. The function h is defined as hx equal to x squared minus 2 for the domain x is between 0 until 3. Okay, the domain x is between 0 until 3, including both values. Okay, so the question is, on the same diagram, sketch the graph of h and h negative 1. A, sketch hx and h negative, or the inverse of hx. So we are given hx, so create a table x and hx, substitute the value 0, 1, 2 and 3, and find the value of hx. So since hx, let's say h0 equals to 0, I put square bracket, minus 2. So it will be negative 2. So if we replace this as 1 squared will be 1 minus 2 will be negative 1. So if we replace as 2 with 2 squared minus 4, minus 2, 4 minus 2 will be 2, h3, 3 squared minus 2, 9 minus 2 will be 7. Okay, so we have the table. Okay, make sure we have all these values inside the graph. We have the x are all positive, but the function hx will be starting from negative 2. So zero, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then this one will start from negative 2. So here will be negative 1, negative 2, negative 1, negative 2. And we have positive value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is hx. This is x. So since this one have until 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, we have to have also 5, 6, 7. Okay, now plot 0, negative 2. 0, negative 2 will be here. And okay, I think this is not straight. 0, negative 2 will be here. And then 1, negative 1. 1, negative 1 will be here. And then 2, 2 will be here. 2, 2 will be here. And then 3, 7. 3, 7 will be here. Okay? And we connect the graph, it will be like that. Okay. And how to okay, this is hx, and you have to sketch this. Okay, so the inverse function will be the reflection of this line on the y equals x. So in order to make it easy for you, I will draw y equals x. Y equals x mean x and y are the same. If x is 0, y is 0. If x is 1, y is 1. So if x is 2, y is also 2. If x is 3, y also 3. So we have a straight line here. Y equals x. Okay. And then in order to know the coordinates, is easy. This coordinate will be 0, -2. Okay. So the inverse will be of this one will be on top here. Okay, will be -2, 0. Okay. So we have to draw a line because -2, 0 will be -1 and -2. So the coordinate here will be -2, 0. Okay. So you have to draw on a piece of paper where you have all the boxes is easier. Okay, so you can see this line correctly. Okay, so this line, so this coordinate, the image of for this will be around here. Okay, and then the coordinate here will be 1, -1. So the image will be -1, 1 will be here. This is -1, 1. And then you have coordinate 2, 2. It will remain as 2, 2 here. So 1, 2, and 3. And then 3, 7 will be 7, 3 around here. Okay, so the inverse function will be something like that. So this is inverse of h. Okay, so that is the sketch of the graph. So is there anything else? Okay, so that is it for A. And then for B, state the domain of inverse of h. What is domain? Domain is the object. So here the coordinate is 7, 3. Okay, this is 3, 7. This coordinate is 3, 7. So the image will be 7, 3. Okay, we want to know the domain. The domain of inverse of h. Domain will be the object or the x. Okay, -2, -1, and then goes to 2, goes to actually, but then we have so many here. So it will start from this value and the end of is this value. So the domain will be starting from -2 until 7. Okay. Then C, find the value of x such that hx equal to h -1x. C, hx equals h -1x. So we are looking for the intersection between the function and the inverse function. Okay, so it will intersect here. So what is the value of x? So x equals 2.